Checking your AED once a month is easy and fast. At the beginning of every month, our system will send an email to the AED caretaker, letting them know it's time to check your AED. Most cabinets will be alarmed, so you should expect to hear an alarm go off. You may have access to a key to turn off the alarm for the purposes of checking the AED monthly. First, let's check your AED's Ready for Rescue symbol. Look for the indicator as circled in this video. Now, let's check the pads for an expiry date. Again, this video will show you exactly where to find the date. Keep in mind, Ready for Action will track your pads and battery expiring dates and notify you when they are ready to be replaced. Let's confirm the AED's first aid kit is present and complete. Your AED first aid kit should contain one-way mask, gloves, scissors, a razor, an antiseptic wipe, and a towelette. Please note some of the contents have expiry dates as well. Now it's time to submit your check. Your completed check will be date-stamped and your check will now be displayed on the dashboard. That's it until next month. Thank you for doing your part to ensure a cardiac-safe environment for all. For any questions related to your AED or training, please email info@actionfirstaid.ca or give us a call at 705-720-2978.